I wish you.
Yeah, I mean, the one-on-one.
All right, folks, what you're looking at is the new 2025 Indian Super Scout, which is very close to the Super Chief. But this is also a first look at this motorcycle. For reference, I stand at 5 feet 10 inches. I weigh about 165 pounds, and I have an arm's length of about 24.5 inches, just to give you an idea of my dimensions as I sit on this bike. But enjoy the first look at the new Super Scout.
Where's Hope Freeman doing Orange County?
I can see back there because, you want to...
Group 1, let's start getting geared up. Get moving. He's there.
So this was a first look at one motorcycle in the new Indian Scout lineup. If you're curious about a first look on the other ones, you can click right here and check that out. If you have any comments or thoughts, leave them down below. Hope you learned something. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.